has been elected from 18 Takarjola, Jampujola ST District Council constituency. I call upon Sri Prabhupada Vikram Kishore Dev to come over and to take off.
Ang Hujang, Radio Tikramanikia, Ipraha, Iprasa, Mulut Waitan, Michael Jack Angkot, Wakcha, Nokni, Adam, Ungui, Jamjakma, Yagulu, Kaitorni, Mungui, Sumai, Tangui, Sadao, Hakake, Hoito, Marangui, Sumai, Sango, Sadao, Harot, Enambakni, Desintui, Hakjak, Keramo, Hoito, Kugui, Tei Harot, Gumui, Ano, Okyagui, Kamani, Samungo, Kabai, Kokai, Kangnai.